Hi, it's Ed from Antique Toys, and we just got back from Texas. We're going to show some of the toys we picked up, so stay tuned for more. Then we picked up some ships, a set of Hess battleships, and Hess ended up doing these flywheels, which are great, and then these minor gunboats that are held behind a bigger gunboat, which is the Columbia. How about some airplanes? China Clipper, Wyandotte, got a marine airplane, Tootsie, looping airplane, and then a real interesting Super Fortress. This one for me is a big unknown. It's a hill climber style. At first, you realize then it says auto. And then I note the driver. The driver reminds me of a French style. And the overall toy ends up being quite a large scale. I am going to guess French at this point with iron wheels. And then an early French, possibly German gearbox. Harbiye. Handwritten Harbiye. How about a couple of German toys? Schuko, Great Kellner. This flips, becomes a convertible. How about something as interesting and simple as an overhead bathtub shower? German maker with a good looking DRGM patented pee-pee poo-poo doll. I can't make this up. Pop in the liquid, stuff happens. Penny toy, penny toy, penny toy, penny toy. Smaller scale steel. Got some iron hiding back there. Then I'm a fan of non-traditional toys in the sense of modern tastes. I have a beautiful wood lithographed home, Victorian style, rickshaw. And I'm wondering if this will be a Bliss or Reed, or if it's going to be German.